Okay, students, welcome back. It's question number 9, exercise 14C of book Oxford D1. Look at here. A copper cylindrical rod of the diameter 14 centimeter and length 47 centimeter is melted and recast into a wire of diameter 8 mm. Find the length of wire, giving you answer in the meters. Actually, a rod is given to us whose diameter and length is given, and after melting we have to reshape that rod into the wire of the diameter 8 mm. Okay, the thing is this, we have to keep it on our mind that they said recast into the wire. It means the volume of the cylindrical rod, and after melting the volume of wire remains same. Okay, yep, because of the reshaping, the diameter squeezed and also the length will increase, obviously, because for balancing the volume after or before remains same, one thing is decreasing, then obviously the other thing will increasing. Okay, so we have to find out the wire's length. Okay, now move to the solution. Okay, students, look at here. It is the rod which is given to us whose height is 47 centimeter and the diameter is 14 centimeter. It means the diameter of this rod is 7 centimeters. Okay, so now look at here. The radius of the rod will be obviously d by 2. We got the radius of rod is 7 centimeter and the length of rod is 47 centimeter, which is given to us over here. Okay, after that we will use the volumetric formula for the rod, which will be given by pi r square h. Pi's value is 3.14 and the r means the radius is calculated over here. It was 7 centimeters square and the 47 is the height which is given to us. We will calculate by the calculator. We got the volume of the rod. Okay, now we melt it and turn it into a wire such that its radius, actually the diameter, will be 8 mm. Now we have to turn the millimeter into the centimeter. We know that 0.1 centimeter for that, so it will become 0.8 centimeter, the diameter of the radius for diameter of the wire. Now for finding the radius, we will divide it by 2. So we got the radius of wire which is equal to 0.4 centimeter. Now keep it in your mind that the wire's radius and the rod's radius remain same. Okay, so we use the volume for wire, which will be given by the pi r square h. Here the pi is a 3.14, radius this time is equal to 0.4 centimeter. It's about the wire, so we will put it here, the wire's radius, and height, actually it is demanded, so we will write it as it is. We will find the it will be square will be 0.16 multiplied by this. We got this one. Now for the next step, what we have to do, we have to divide it by both sides, 0.524 here and 0.5024 on both sides. This will be cancelled by this. We got h. The height of the wire is this centimeter, 14,393.75 centimeter, which is approximately becomes 14,394 centimeter. It means when we melt it, we got a wire whose radius is 0.8 centimeter and length is 14,394 centimeters. I hope so you learn it very well. Thank you.